Dubai Police Clearance Certificate. In today's video, you are going to learn how to apply for Dubai Police Clearance Certificate online. So let's get started. First, check Uber's requirements. Requirements can vary by city. Visit Uber's website or contact support to confirm what's needed in your area. Then apply for a police clearance certificate. For this, visit your local police station or their online portal. Some regions allow online application, which can save time. Then you have to gather required documents, valid identification, passport, driver's license, and proof of address. Any other forms required by the police in your region. After that, you can submit your application. A fee may be required, so check your local requirements. Once processed, you will receive your PCC, which can be submitted to Uber to complete your driver's background check. So that's all. That's how you will be able to apply for Dubai Police Clearance Certificate online.